Okay. Here we go. Hey, now, uh, who are you? I'm a sock face. A sock face? Yeah. Well, you never heard of a sock face before? Well, who'd have thought a sock face? Well, how many people would ever think you'd think of sock face? Sock face. That's the funniest thing. Well, stop laughing at me. Okay. Want to hear a story? Okay. Well, I was walking through the forest one day, and I heard this really scary sound. Oh no! Yeah, no, yeah, no, yeah. Wow. I mean, you were talking for me there for a second. I was not. Yes, you were. Anyway, after I heard the noise, you know what I did? What? I ran. You did? Because I was scared. No. I mean, no. I get my voice is all mixed up. Guess I'm out of practice. Okay.